Hello everyone. I am here with uh Kato and we're gonna play um Kato.
Gonna play Kato Kato.
I did not know how to make this intro without it sounding confusing. So we found a game and it's called Kato. And of course it should be very well themed. So I decided to ask Kato to play it. When he told me he opened the game and said it was in Chinese, I got. I don't know where this is gonna go, but yeah, this is about a cat and butter, butter
Got
or
it,
butter
butter.
toast. It's a It said there also paradox, I think.
Oh yeah, the the
So
ca- the the cat and buttered bread paradox.
yeah, so it is butter toast.
What is
So
this? Oh, made by Timo.
oh, this is a demo.
Oh,
Okay, so this is a demo, guys. Yeah, we didn't
so
see this. It will be on Steam very soon. All right. You ready to try this interesting demo, Kato?
yeah,
This is
Kato.
gonna be very confusing for me.
We're gonna call the Kato Kato and Kato. Okay,
Um,
starting. Oh, Kato.
there you go.
Look at that Kato.
It's a spacebar question mark.
Oh,
Oh,
oh, therefore, Kato.
oh, oh!
Oh,
You are a butter toast Kato.
what?
You're the toast.
We're both of them.
Is this two players or one player? Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
do you wanna control the bread? I can control the cat.
I didn't even know this was two players. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be part of this too. So what's the controls for the bread?
It's spacebar.
Spacebar?
Yeah, it's just spacebar. You can
Give
get.
him. Did you give me access to the to the to the to the the keyboard?
Oh,
It's not working for me.
wanna control the cat? It's arrow key.
Is my keyboard dead? Why can't I control?
Hmm.
Wait, let me try. Like, yeah, my keyboard works. I can type, but in the game, maybe it really is like a one-player thing. I'm not sure.
Oh, um, we are.
Z. Z does something.
Z?
Oh, you gotta shoot him on the. No, you have to shoot him on that thingy. That orange shootingly button. You're so cute.
Just shit. Man, I wish we could have played this in quickly. Oh, no.
Yeah. But yeah, my keyboard doesn't seem to wanna. Are you trying to slice your bread? What's happening here? Don't forget you have a Z.
Oh yeah, you can launch the bread. Wait, can I not? got an idea. Is this piece of bread butter?
Don't know. I keep seeing like this. You see, it has like a red side, right? So I'm like thinking a toast with like jam on top.
Or maybe.
Bam.
Oh, no.
Free yourself. No.
Ah,
Oh no.
actually, that's there you go. So, did you know that the cat and the butter paradox is actually there's where call this there was a video about when the world has run out of power, and there was this guys that were making butter buttered toast, and every time the toast falls on its where it's buttered from, right? And
Wait,
then-
when you drop a bread?
yeah, when you drop the bread with butter, the buttered side always falls face
To the
forward.
floor.
Yeah.
I didn't know there was an actual meaning behind this game. I thought it was just a game that
And
I didn't
then-
understand the paradox part.
And then there's the belief that cats always lands on their feet, right?
Oh,
Yeah. Now you put two and together, and what do you have of like you put the buttered toast facing upwards on the top of the cat, and the cat always lands on its feet, right? So they cancel each other out and they start spinning fast.
that's why it starts spinning.
Yeah.
Interesting.
I know, right?
I didn't even know this was like a thing. I'm not kidding. When I found this game, I was like, why is this connected? And apparently someone has done the research. I can always rely on Kato for research about cats. Here's the weird thing. Look what's on top. It's not the butter, it's the jam side. Unless they're implying that the jam is the butter?
Probably.
We got red butter, people. Oh, it's a toaster! Ooh.
It's so cool.
Oh! Were you supposed to miss that toaster? Try launching it with Z.
Oh.
Not I meant, well...
Oh. What? Yeah. You just sit there, sit there.
you spin... We can't
No.
sing that.
No, that's copyrighted.
Oh.
Oh no, that's bad.
I don't get what we're trying to achieve here.
There you go.
You're free!
We did it! Oop.
Oh, the short. Oh, you need to. You gotta run for it.
Oh. Toaster. So, yeah, oh yeah, after that, they use the cat to like, call this.
There's more?
They put the cat into like, I don't know, it's like a generator and stuff. Oh,
What? Oh,
where?
the fact that like cats can fit into any shape, like tube.
They put the cat into like a generator where something spins in the middle, and the cat became the power source.
Wait, like power source? You mean like the wheel they run on?
No, yeah, but there's no wheel, and there's only like the cat and the butter. It spins really fast, that generates energy.
We can like generate. That looks like. Does that look like it generates anything? That box. What do you think actually is the theme of this entire game? Like the theme. Because they look like they're going somewhere.
Oh.
Or like they're in a place that has like pipes. They have
Oh no, that's bad.
that has to be really timed.
It's time.
But I like the aesthetic of the game. The cat is obviously cute. The toast is obviously cute. I love the colors. I'm always a sucker for some good pixel games. Oh, oh, oh.
There you go.
There we go.
Oh.
Instead of into my belly, it's onto my belly.
It's onto my belly.
Oh!
It's time.
Hurry up, hurry up, 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 hurry up, 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 up. This toast is a lot of work.
Speed. Oh.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I'm a bit confused of what we're trying to accomplish.
Oh no. Oh no.
Can you get yourself back up? Oh.
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
No more. Actually, we need to be. Actually, we need to stay here.
What are we trying to achieve?
I don't know.
I feel like that thing should be open, but how do we open it?
We need to press something.
There's another button down there.
No.
What happens if they press the red button again?
You know what? Let's just restart our level.
How did you understand that meant to restart?
Oh,
How did you understand which one was the restart
I don't know.
button?
I don't know.
You're not Chinese, right?
I'm not.
Okay.
Why?
There's a tube! There we go! I did not see that tube down there.
Why I need to spin? You can float? What? Hello? Hello?
Well,
I think we're broke again.
you wanna try to restart?
Oh!
Oh!
What? We fell into the back room. I'm just kidding.
Oh!
Toast.
Yourselves! Oh, that's it! For now, at least.
I don't know if it's released on Steam yet, but
We don't know. We will take a peek. Give us a moment, people.
hello, hello, come back. Hello,
Mellow.
Papa.
My Steam is still up.
So should
Give it
I?
a moment. Unless you can do it for me.
What if?
Oh,
What if? Huh? We're not falling. We're on the toast.
it looks like you're eating the bread. You're making the cat meow?
Yeah,
Play spacebar.
yeah, that's Facebook.
Ah.
Oh,
Oh!
oh, you could press shift to direct where this is going.
I like how you did not see that in the first level.
I did not. Well, good on me. I beat the game without.
So yeah, that was
Kato. Kato.
Thank you. And with that, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Goodbye.
Merry Christmas!